Hello everybody, today we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. The question is to convert the given network available in Y form or the star form to delta. So we are going to convert this star network into delta network. Okay, two problems are given, A and B. Okay, let's see how to solve this. So this is the given one for A problem. Three resistors are available, R1, R2, R3. So we form a delta network over this and we name them as RA, RB, RC. And if you observe, this RA is actually opposite to this A node and RB is opposite to this B node, like that we have formed this. So here the formula is available for the conversion. So if you want to find out this RA, which is an arm for this delta network, okay, this one, then this formula is R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R1, right? So you look at this. For this we multiply these two, the product of this R1 R2, then sum them with this R2 R3 product, then sum them with this R1 R3, okay, divided by this opposite R1. So here it is 10 into 10 plus 10 into 10 plus 10 into 10 divided by 10. So the value is 300 by 10, so it is 30 ohms. So we got one answer, that is RA. Anyhow, all the values of this are in the star network are the same, that is 10 ohms only, right? So we'll get the same for RB and RC also. So 30 ohms, 30 ohms and 30 ohms. So we get this delta network, which is equivalent to the star network given in the problem. Okay, so A problem is solved. Now we move on to the B. So in the B, we have the different values for this R1, R2 and R3, 30 ohms, 20 ohms and 50 ohms. But anyhow, the formula is very simple, right? R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by R1 for this RA. But for RB it is in the numerator it is the same, but denominator we have divided by R2. For R3 it is divided by R3. Okay, so let's get started. So RA is equal to 30 into 20 plus 20 into 50 plus 50 into 30 divided by the opposite one is 30. So the value is 600 plus 1000 plus 1500 divided by 30. So we get it as 3100 divided by 30. So it is 103.3 ohms. So we place the value here. Then when you go for the next value, or that is the RB for the delta network, 30 into 20 plus 20 into 50 plus 50 into 30 divided by this R2 value, that is 20. So it is 155 ohm. Similarly, for finding this RC value, it is 30 into 20 plus 20 into 50 plus 50 into 30 divided by this 50 ohm resistance, which is opposite to this RC, right? So we get this is 3100 divided by 50, so it is 62. So we got all the answers for this RA, RB, RC. So we place the delta value here. So we formed the delta network here with the RA value 103.3 ohms, RB 155 ohms and RC 62 ohms. Thank you. Hope you have understood this problem.